declaring the entire city of Digos under community quarantine due to COVID-19. Whereas, under Section 15, Article 2 of the Philippine Constitution, it is the policy of the state to protect and promote the right to health of the people. Whereas, the World Health Organization declared the outbreak as a public health emergency of international concern. Whereas, the city government of Digos issued last February 13, 2020, Executive Orders number 007 and number 008, series of 2020 in relation to the creation of COVID-19 task force and mandating all establishments to observe proper precautionary health measures to prevent the spread of COVID, respectively. Whereas COVID-19 cases in the Philippines continue to rise, causing economic losses and putting the public health of our people at stake. Whereas Department of Health confirmed positive COVID-19 cases in Iligan and Tagum City, where the latter cities already declared community quarantine and partial lockdown, respectively. Whereas the Department of Health has raised the emergency alert level to Code Red Level 2, which requires the extreme precautionary measures must be practiced and observed. Whereas President Rodrigo R. Duterte on March 8 issued proclamation number 922 declaring a state of public health emergency throughout the Philippines due to coronavirus disease COVID-19. Now, therefore I, Josef F. Cagas, by virtue of the powers vested upon me as local chief executive of the city of Digos, do hereby order the following guidelines. 1. People shall stay in their respective homes and shall only come out from their respective houses when they will go to work, buy food and medicines, go to hospitals, and do things that are urgent and very essential in nature. All non-essential activities are prohibited. Number 2, all events, public or private mass gatherings or meetings are hereby disbanded. Everyone is mandated to strictly observe social distancing at all times. All religious institutions, number 3, are highly encouraged to observe social distancing at all costs, especially in the celebration of their religious practices. The COVID Task Force will strictly monitor the observance of health guidelines and social distancing in the celebration of religious practices and gatherings. Number 4, everyone is strictly encouraged to disinfect their respective premises and houses, which shall be sternly or strictly monitored by the City Health Office. Number 5, all public and private vehicles from Tagum City, Iligan City, and other local government units that have confirmed COVID-19 cases are prohibited from entering Digos City. Number 6, all vehicles coming from Tagum City, Iligan City, and other local government units that have confirmed cases which will pass through Digos while en route to their destinations or destination will be escorted by concerned PNP, Digos City Response Team, and other concerned agency and personnel of Digos City. Number 7, there shall be sanitary checkpoints in all entry and exit points of Digos City. Number 8, all persons coming in and out from all entry and exit points of Digos City will be monitored and scanned using thermal scanner or any other devices that can detect the body temperature and will be subject to the rules and regulations prescribed by the COVID Task Force, Department of Health, and other pertinent rules. Number 9, reiterating Section 4 of Executive Order Number 17, due to suspension of classes, all children, students, and minors are prohibited from going to public places such as malls, internet shops, recreational centers, markets, and the like, except in emergency cases or when they are under the direct and actual guidance and supervision of their parents. Parents should strictly monitor their children and observe social distancing and healthy lifestyle at all costs. Number 10, all establishments such as but not limited to internet shops, bars, malls, restaurants, resorts, and stores shall be closed starting from 9 in the evening until 7 in the morning, except 7-Eleven, convenience store, pharmacy, or those stores whose business permits contain a 24/7 business operation or whose nature is relative to selling of medical goods and supplies. All establishments must be strictly regulated, subject to the issuance of a subsequent ordinance by the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Digos, laying down the regulations for such purpose. Number 11, there shall also be a citywide curfew, subject to the issuance of an SP ordinance by the Sangguniang Panlungsod of Digos, laying down the regulations for such purpose. Number 12, there shall be a creation of central operation for COVID-19 which will establish barangay isolation unit for both person under monitoring and person under investigation separately. The makeshift barangay isolation units will be determined by the DepEd Division through the help of the punong barangay concerned. Number 13, the COVID-19 Task Force and all its member agencies and offices are hereby mandated to strengthen information dissemination and education of all the people in Digos by all available means relative to COVID-19. This order shall take effect immediately and shall remain in force until expressly revoked. Done this 16th day of March 2020, Digos City, Davao del Sur.